I got scratches on my arm, 3 of them. Why not?
Oh my god, I stepped on it!
Hi.
Hi! So,
Hi.
Bella and I are going to an abandoned house. So if you want to come with, or like meet us there or something.
I would love to, but me and Damien are going to my cabin.
Oh shit.
Are you fucking kidding me, man? This is like the 7th time we've tried to do this.
I know. Hello.
Hi.
Yo, what I do?
Can you send me a pin? Do you want to be picked up?
Sure.
Sure. We're gonna do some ghost hunting.
Hell yeah, dude.
Okay. Okay, send me a pin and we'll be on our way. Right from my house.
Hi.
Okay, see you in a bit.
Bye.
Bye. So, we are on our way to go pick up another crew member. And we're gonna go to an abandoned house that is somewhere a little bit past where we live. And we have no idea where it is. So, we're gonna find out. Another crew member. And we're going to pick her up and go do some ghost hunting. Bad day to wear sandals, hey?
A little bit.
Woo! Oh my god. Yeah.
You were absolutely fucking crazy. Oh, yeah,
I mean, this is where Clara used to come to get her anger out, so.
Death! What? Death! Mushroom! Oh, there's a penis!
Bro, why didn't we bring that? Whoa. It was cleaned out. There was stuff over there last time I came. There. And this is where Nicole broke the mirror.
I love it. Here's the kitchen. You'll need some meals.
Oh, look.
Oh, there's some pornos. You know.
You want some Dons too? Some Dons.
Anika, you have a huge penis.
Do I?
Nice.
Okay, you.
Look at the glass. The ones that you already took.
Smell, guys.
It's glass. Oh my god, don't. What the fuck? Are you okay?
I was like, there's probably drugs and blood on it.
Oh my god.
Yeah, there was like a bunch of shit. We didn't even get to come up here because there was so much.
Oh, the living room. The lovely, lovely living room.
It would actually be nice if it wasn't like
Sick, bro.
fucked up. Nice little picture of a baby. That's not.
Oh my god. Oh my god. And it's just like sitting there. Ew. Sleepover? Yes, I'm down. Oh my god.
Yeah, I don't like how these all have like things point up. Like, what the fuck is up here?
Honestly, some demon's gonna come down. Somebody went insane here. Oh, there's still a mattress.
You have some pants too, and some Jack Daniels.
Damn.
I think they shared.
The bathroom is used at your own risk.
Oh, okay.
Which is fair enough. It looks a little bit sharp.
Oh yeah.
Use it to your own
Oh,
risk.
yes.
Yeah, it looks a little sharp there, man. I think you'll get a cut.
Kai.
No.
That was from downstairs. Claire broke that off the chandelier.
Welcome to my crib. Welcome to my crib. I showed that already, but look.
Aw.
Aw.
Like a natural.
Yeah, the natural decor. How's your house plant doing? Mine's dead.
Yeah, it's a little good.
I'm gonna keep this one.
I thought they still have the curtains though.
Yeah, I know. At least they were a little bit considerate. You know, you gotta keep the, dark out of it.
So do we have any information on this place?
None.
Like why? Why?
I tried to find something, but
It's a nice place. There's a lot of rooms too.
I feel like most abandoned places where we are, there's not a lot of.
There's only 3 washrooms. There's one there.
it's pretty good for a house of this
Oh,
size.
what's
Do you
that?
need to know how to play Thunderstruck on the guitar?
Possibly.
Oh, there's not. There's no cupboard.
So this property is pretty crazy too. Okay.
Oh yeah, no, the car's pretty nice.
Oh, I forgot about the glass.
Yeah.
Forgot about the glass.
I want to see if this will work.
Oh my god.
Oh.
What are you doing?
No,
Yes,
I don't
totally.
know names. There we go. That was my sign. Bro.
Oh, that's a bird.
Damn.
Brody 420.
Hey. What the fuck is this? Oh, it feels weird. That's soap.
Ew.
A race, that's fun.
Soap brows, anyone?
Yard work.
It's very useful.
So, what are we having for breakfast?
Bacon and eggs.
Bella,
Bacon and eggs. Yes, that. Oh, damn.
well, in the closet.
Still down there? Shit, they just threw everything down there. That's why. Hey, there's a spoon for our cereal. Bacon in our bags.
Okay.
Oh shit, it smells. Sorry if there's any animals.
Here. Oh,
We need a light.
let's see if this one will work.
Watch if the fucking house just exploded.
Oh shit. See, that's, yeah, I told you there's a pool table.
Oh my god. This feels unsafe.
You'll live. Maybe.
That's fine.
See, there's a pool table. Well, don't be a pussy, come on.
It'll hold up. It's fine.
Bella, you'll be fine.
Sal.
Bleed blue anyway, bitches, I'm king.
Hold on, this says fuck Sal, but it also says I fuck Sal.
It's creeping.
Who had sex in high school? Disgusting.
Bella, just come down already.
Jesus.
Come on, bro, you gotta come see the cat. Come see my friend.
I'm heavier
The dead cat. Oh, that's open. That wasn't open last time. Oh, I found the cellar. Why do they have so many washing machines?
Dirty ass clothes.
I might need a hand. This is gonna break.
It's not gonna break, Bella. I literally jumped on it.
Yeah, you step on that and then you step on the microwave, I think.
Oh my goodness.
I'm heavy,
funny.
okay? It's big, but it's kind of boring. It's like nothing to do. other than you.
A lot of people have already been here.
Where's the kitty?
I don't know. It was like over.
Might have been that.
I stepped on that. Oh my god, I stepped on it.
Yeah, there's like bugs going into it.
I'm a Satan worshiper. Okay, bro. Upside down crosses for life. Do you know that's actually not satanic?
Upside down cross?
It's not.
It's not? What is it?
It's, I don't know, I just read it somewhere. I can't remember, but you can look it up after.
No, it's some form of Christianity.
Yeah. Like all these people are like, oh my god, it's the devil. And I'm like, no, honey. You like our pool table?
Yeah, I love the pool table, bro. Do you want to play some pool?
Yeah, go find the sticks.
Yeah. I think we can use the one that you picked up earlier.
I threw that when I saw that. God, they can't see me.
Yeah, it's just... Jesus fuck.
Someone should fix it. That's so sweet.
They were thinking of us. Well,
We should bring some duct tape next time and like, you know, just put it across the windows. And just, you know.
my shoes have so much glass on it.
It'll be like that.
Okay. How's this property?
No, that's wait.
Shh.
It worked for a second.
I heard that. Ow! Ow! Get it off! Oh, okay, I don't know. Don't do that. I can't. It's a sticky boy. Holy shit.
It's strong as fuck. They just put it all away.
Well, that's boring. There's nothing in here.
I hope all the
Oh no! Sticky boys. There's four.
Oh yeah, I'm assuming.
Damn, brother.
Aw, shit.
There's your ride.
In it.
Pretty sick ride.
Half of the wheels.
Also, is that a bottle? Not a bottle. We were like, oh, betting on it, and neither of us wanted to open it.
Yeah, no, I don't want to open that shit.
But it was
I
Oh!
don't want to smell that.
how did we go do it in the state?
It's like. Did you hear that shit?
Oh yeah, probably
Okay.
Yeah. Ooh, guys, I got some mom perfume. Very romantic. Amen.
such a nice car.
I know. At the
Yeah.
abandoned house at Bella's, such nice cars. Such nice cars.
Yeah. How do we rate that? No speaky shit happened.
Yeah, that was like a 2.
A 2. It was pretty good though.
I mean, it was pretty cool, but it wasn't, you know. Yeah,
Cool for our area, but kind of lame.
It wasn't scary.
It's kind of like the abandoned asylum and everything.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I agree. I agree.
And we kind of just like drove up and we're like, oh shit, we don't want to get caught. So we drive away really fast, but we didn't see his car. We didn't see where it went. So he just like sped past us. Looked like he was going off the end. We're like,
Damn.
but then it was kind of disappeared.
How far is that? So we're back from the
Abandoned house.
super scary abandoned house that not much happened.
Yeah, it was quite boring. Like, it was kind of cool. Like, the house was really nice, you know.
Dead kitty.
Dead cat, yeah, that I stepped on.
You know, the usual.
It was nasty.
It wasn't very scary, but
Very straight.
yeah. Yeah, straight. But we are going to hopefully be doing more and find more spooky stuff, because I've never been to that one. She's been to that one.
Yeah.
But I've never been, so I didn't really know what it was gonna be like, but
Yeah. It's better at night, honestly.
yeah.
Like, I mean, you got scratches, show the scratches.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I got scratches on my arm, 3 of them.
Yeah, we have no idea how she got them. Like, they just showed up when we were in the car, so maybe it is haunted. Who knows?
I didn't feel them either. I mean, they're pretty old, so I don't really know if I got them earlier, like not today or whatever, because they don't look that new.
Noticed that, though.
I know, it's weird. Like, I don't understand really. They show up easier in person, but if you enjoyed that video, give it a thumbs up, and we'll make some more, and we'll go to more spookier places.